All right.
Thank you. Thank you, officers.
Yes.
All right. I'm gonna just put my Bluetooth in and talk to my mom as I'm doing this, okay? It's my Bluetooth.
How long you been?
No, I'm moving.
You can't do that right now. Let's go.
I'm packing up.
All right?
Hey, mommy, what's up? Yes, mommy.
Can I pay for
I'm
something?
at the hotel.
You're not.
Oh, okay, all right.
You have nothing to do with any of this.
I checked
He's been
in,
trespassed
but now I'm
numerous
backing up.
times, and he keeps trying to come back in. So.
Oh, really?
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
I don't know whatever his personal
there
vendetta
is-
against the Marriott is. It's
All
not
right.
our business. It's private property.
Right.
Okay. It's private property. Okay. No problem.
I'm sure you know the law. I'm sure you researched it for this.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay. So can I speak then?
No. We're gonna,
Oh, so
we're
now
gonna
I
go.
can't speak either, right?
Well, I just want to make sure that we're still
I
going.
want. I'm packing up.
I know.
Yes, mommy love. Talk to me. This is recording, right?
Yeah.
All right. I am looking for the bag to put this away in real quick.
Who's with
Mommy, I love you. I'm fine.
One person
I'm
go
heavily
with the manager
protected.
and find out what
I have to go.
property that's
I have to go, mommy love.
If they were going to bring him up to this room or not to get his stuff. Can somebody go and confirm?
Yo, get full angles,
So
bro.
can we go and confirm?
Get full angles of faces. Stand up, stand
All
up.
right. I'm gonna stay
With the
there.
officers. As I'm packing up, I'm going to educate you.
These are yours.
You got to for anything, bro. Get back yourself
Excuse
up
me,
and get
can
out of
I?
here.
I'm packing up.
Okay,
You
so
see me
pack it up
packing
and get out of here.
Stop yelling at me, please. Please. You do see me in action, right?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Educate yourself. How about that?
Okay, so don't
You've
listen
been
to me.
trespassed 3 times. 3 times you've been trespassed.
I've communicated.
You've been trespassed
My name is not
3
here.
times.
Where's my name? Where is this
I'll
information?
show you the papers.
Show me. I'd like to
3
see
times
it.
you've been trespassed.
Show me. I'd like to
I
see
don't
it.
need to show you that. Right now, you need to leave. Right?
You
Private
see me
property.
doing this, right?
Yes. I'm just
All right,
explaining.
so you don't have to repeat anything.
Oh, maybe
okay?
I do.
You do see me doing it.
Yeah, he's making a video for his 5 followers. Just what I'm doing is everything.
Thank you. So, as I said,
Okay.
they've made notes. They've charged my card.
You can dispute it with your
And they said that I'm invited. I have recordings.
That's fine.
They said, and I called the corporate office.
Why come back though if you know they don't want you here?
Oh my man!
I'm just curious.
Because you can either be a prisoner of your own mind or the mind of others. That's why these rights have already been fought for us. So now
private
I don't have to go to
property.
court. It's a public, because it's open to the public, and they've accepted my money. And I've asked if there's a ban, and how long am I banned for? Where's the information and the education
They
on
have the
that?
right to
This is
refuse
all hearsay. Where is
It's not hearsay. There's documentation showing.
Where is the
I
documentation?
don't need to show you it's private property.
I don't see. So how is it not hearsay?
If
You
you
just said
were
that.
under arrest for trespass, I would show you the other trespasses. Right now, you're not under arrest for trespass.
I'm not under arrest
You're
yet.
no, you're not under arrest. You're being.
But I'm not even being equally protected
You're being
either.
removed.
But I'm not being equally protected either.
Look, man. Remove this
I don't really like being restricted, so I'm gonna just go. And I gotta get my coat out of my room.
It's easier than being arrested, that's for sure.
I'm at the Marriott Marquis Hotel in Times Square. No, I'm gonna chill out outside because I'm good money.
Okay.
All I gotta be is off the property. All right, that's everything.
Got it?
Can I get my coat from my room?
Not right now. Let's roll, man.
All right, not a problem, officer.
Yeah, look, I gotta.
Oh, no,
I gotta
keep
pay
it.
for
All
this.
right, no problem. Thank you.
Nah, it's alright, man.
All right, so no coat for me.
Look, I see you downstairs.